Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I am going to teach you how you can make this office design on Blender. So to make this office design, let's open the Blender app. So I will use this office design for today's tutorial. You can also download this office design from the Sketchfab. Just Google Sketchfab and from there you can download 3D office and 3D office furniture, and make sure to download the GLB file during download. After this I am going to make the door and windows of the office. For this, go to the import setting, then import the window file which you have downloaded from the Sketchfab. After importing the window, press S and scale down it like this. Once again press S and scale down it. Now select the rotate tab and rotate the window. After rotating window, select the move tab and move the window towards the direction where you want to place it. After making one window, you don't have to again import another window. Just press Shift T to duplicate it, then press G to move it along the y-axis. Cover the other window surface. Once again press Shift T to duplicate this window, then press G and then press X to move the window along the x-axis. Now once again press S and then press Y to scale down the window along the y-axis. So windows for the office are ready. Now I'm going to make the doors for the office. Once again go to the file, then go to import, then import the GLB file of the door which you have downloaded from Sketchfab. Press S and scale down the door. Now select the rotate tab and rotate it, and then select the move tab and move the door to its location. After adjusting the scales of the door, move the door to a proper location. Now once again press Shift T to duplicate it and then move the door towards the other direction where you want to place it. Just press G and then move it and rotate it, and then select the move tab and move the door to a proper location. So doors for the office are ready. Next I'm going to import the furniture for the office. Once again go to the import setting, then import the table and chair for the office. After this, select this move tab and move the table and chair to a proper location, and also adjust its position along the X, Y and Z axis and place it to the ground, and then press Shift D to duplicate it and then press G to move it and adjust the position of the second table. Once again press Shift D to duplicate, then press G and then press Y to move it along the Y axis like this. Once again press Shift D to duplicate and then press G to move it towards the other direction and rotate it. So furniture for the office is ready. Import the water dispenser. Press S to scale it up. After this, import the trash bin file. Then press S and scale down it and then move it to a proper location. Now import the flower vase file to decorate the office. After importing it, press S and scale down it and then move it to a location where you want to place it. Then press Shift D to duplicate it and then press G to move it towards the other direction. Once again press Shift D to duplicate, then press G to move it. Once again press Shift D to duplicate and then press G to move it towards the other direction where you want to place it. Now I'm going to import another flower vase for office decoration. Once again go to file menu and import the flower vase file. So flower vase for the office decoration are ready. Now I'm going to import the clock for the wall. Import the clock file, then press S and scale down it, then select the rotate tab and rotate it. After rotating it, move it towards the wall and place it to a proper location. Press Shift D to duplicate it and then press G to move it towards the other wall. After making all the required furniture and things for the office, I'm going to add material to it. Now go to the shader view. In the shader view, you will see all the designs which you have downloaded from the Sketchfab are already colored. We will just add material to floor and walls of the office. For this, go to the edit mode, then select this preferences option, and in the preferences option search the Blender Kit. After searching Blender Kit, you will find 3D View Blender Kit asset, and make sure to mark this 3D Blender Kit. After marking it, you will find this extension right here. Click on this Blender Kit and then click on material, and in the material select the category, and in the category option I will select the floor material. Select the floor material, then choose the floor material which you want to apply it. First enable this overlay option, then select the floor, and then I will apply this floor oak material. Click on this material to apply it, and in the shader view you will see the effects. So you can see that floor is properly materialed. Next I'm going to add material to the walls of the office. Just select all the walls of the office, select one wall, then press shift and select the other wall, then once again press shift and select other wall. In this way I will select all the walls of the office. Now in the category, select the marble option to add material to the walls, and then apply the material which you want to apply on the wall. After applying material to all the objects, you can see that all the objects are properly materialed and they are properly colored. In this way you can make 3D office design on Blender. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, show your reaction in the comment section, and if you want our services, connect us on the LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.